For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
An exceptional name, isn't it? Have you ever known about it? Then right presently is the second to notify yourself about it. It might appear to be an account, yet that is the manner by which this unique computerized monies process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this weird yet particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of dog called Shiba Inu and subsequently Doge. After that, this quickly developing digital currency turned into a popular name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is decentralized and totally secure. As per the authentic information and ongoing Dogecoin cost expectation, Doge represents an available and practical option in contrast to Bitcoin. The special, dynamic, Dogecoin people group has permitted Doge to accomplish something of a religion following. History of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was made only for transparency with the mascot of the previously mentioned Japanese canine by software engineer Billy Marcus and advertiser Jackson Palmer in December 2013. Palmer left the organization in 2015, yet Marcus remains its lead designer even today. Despite the fact that it's shrouded in a clever facade, Dogecoin's designers have demanded that they take the task and their obligation to clients truly throughout the long term. As proof, the organization would try and set out on a few striking trials and digital money plan. To be sure, Doge has demonstrated its grit as well. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most well-known uses of Dogecoin is tipping individual web attendees who create or share extraordinary substance. It bears more worth fundamentally because of its easy-to-understand framework. No shrewd preparation, no exceptional mastery required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any merchandise in grocery stores through MasterCards. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known internet image. A decision element of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more powerful way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be interested to purchase Dogecoin. Ceaseless virtual entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin cryptographic money to continuously eclipse recently sent-off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin price prediction 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with supporting the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout recent days. Elon Musk's ceaseless help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another untouched high of $0.7376. Because of consistent big-name support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Likewise, as indicated by the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyber Whistle, Giga Texas belt buckle, and Cyber Quad for kids. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from March 19, 2022, and Mark Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Maverick, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin built up some decent forward momentum via web-based entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting signals. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, impacting market Dogecoin cost expectations decidedly. Additionally, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, though the others don't. Moreover, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. Dogecoin, DOGE, the ingredient weave. The primary thing that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are formed to such an extent that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. The likely issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it might presently not be productive for excavators to keep on supporting the framework. This prompts an ascent and tremendous high charges to empower diggers or exceptionally postponed or delayed exchange processes, as there would be no issue with handling network exchanges. An administration or bank is a brought-together establishment that can genuinely print its own cash. Interestingly, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so on, adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed hereinbefore, auxiliary proof of work, POW, shapes the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering diggers to deal with Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to address muddled conditions. When the condition is settled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the excavator is compensated with Doge. This prize framework functions as a two-dimensional methodology. 1. It urges excavators to permit figuring ability to finish exchanges on the Dogecoin blockchain, and 2. It directs the production of new Doge, which is then conveyed by diggers. The tipping administration permits the client to send fast gifts to different clients on Twitter and Reddit. Dogecoin technical analysis. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when basics never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the guidelines are being modified or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another rush of advancement. What's more, in that wave, new kinds of resources could have a decent spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrible to those trapped in the progress. Vulnerability isn't really great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't great for progress. No big surprise, not at all. Like all cryptographic forms of money, Dogecoin esteem also was powerless to the high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost vacillations. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you want to keep an eye out for your venture. You want to peruse the digital money cost figure and be ready. Notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital currency market, there is a fair Dogecoin future.